Okay, so this one is a calf raise machine. Okay, so ito ang support for your shoulders and then this one is for your hands, okay? So, this machine is adjustable. So, kapag matangkad ka, adjust mo siya sa taas. Ayan. And then, lagyan natin ng weights to intensify the workout. Okay. So, to execute the exercise, first, lagay natin yung shoulder natin dito, ipailalim tayo, and then ang kamay is dito sa handle. Okay? Tapak tayo sa platform. Ayan. Once na nakaset ka na, place your foot, yan, dito sa platform, and then make sure na yung toe lang yung nakatapak. And then, down tayo, baba, and then squeeze natin yung calves natin sa taas. Okay? So, up, yan, squeeze, and then go down. Ayan, making sure na full yung ating range of motion, okay? Then squeeze, and then down. Okay, so again, this one is calf raise machine. So it targeted our calves.